Xin chào, hello everyone. Hi guys, how are you all? So in my last video I had talked about diabetes. In this video also I will talk about diabetes. This is my last video of diabetes. From my next video I will do different yoga posture for disease. Friends, today I will going to do Cobra posture. For Cobra posture, precaution is those who are pregnant, please don't do. Pregnant women never do this asana. When you take meal, after meal you should take a gap of 3 to 4 hours. Then you should practice Cobra posture. Now I am going to demonstrate Cobra posture. First of all, lie down in a prone position. Lie down in this position. Now drop your both palm inside of your chest. Arms should be touched to your body and elbow pointed outwards. While going to do this position, your feet should be touched. Those who have back problem, they can apart your feet like this. Those who don't have back problem, they can touch your feet together. While doing this position, first you relax your body here and take a deep inhale. Now you should raise your forehead up, neck up, shoulder up. Look forward. While coming to final position, your navel should be up from your mat 3 centimeters only. Now you come to final position. Your breathing should be normal. Here you have to do in one breath, inhale, exhale. 2 breath, inhale, exhale. Like you have to do 6 breath. While going down, you have to do exhale and go down. Drop your chin, drop your head and exhale your body. Now friends, you have to do this posture at least 3 to 5 times every day so that you can cure yourself. If you want to be healthy, cure, keep practicing yoga every day, every time. If you like my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any suggestion, please drop your message in my comment box. And don't forget to click the bell button. So friends, we will meet you in my next video next week. Goodbye. Thank you. Come on.